In this video, we are going to talk about how to run Android Auto in your car's infotainment system. First, click on Paired Devices. Then click on the plus sign on the top left corner. Now turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your Android phone. Now it will display your phone's name. Click on it to connect it. Click on Pair. Match the pin on your phone and click Yes. Now select Android Auto. Now you can access maps and different music streamers like Spotify and enjoy your car ride.